In this video guide, I will give you detailed instructions that will help you to both manually and automatically get rid of the browser advertisements related to the website Sismscoldne.xyz. Frankly speaking, it is even hard to properly pronounce the name of this website. The website is extremely malicious. It tries to infect the browser with permanent and very intrusive ads that may be displayed as random push notifications. So the website tells you to click on the Allow button to close this page or to enable some HD streaming feature in your browser. But when people mistakenly do that, when they click on Allow button, this very moment the browser gets hijacked and infected. People may be forwarded to some other junk site, and they may also start facing the great number of excessive advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom part of the screen. So now I will show you how to fix these issues and how to stop these ads from attacking your screen. First of all, access the menu of the browser, which looks as this circle with 3 vertical dots. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Then find the Permissions area and click on Notifications. Scroll down to the list of the sites that are allowed to send notifications. And when you find this malicious website in the list, remove it from the list. And you may also remove other malicious websites that might be causing similar advertisements on your computer screen. So this is the manual way to get rid of these ads and to stop their malicious activity on your computer screen. Even though this manual solution should fix such problems, I would also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get its latest version on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and begin checking your computer with its help to detect and delete other threats that could possibly remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware. And as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.